What is the value of the expression 7 minus 5 inside the parentheses, then plus 7 to the power of 2 and multiply by again 7 minus 5 inside the parentheses? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression looks very simple, but only 5% of people can find the correct answer. Let's break it down and solve it together. And the first step to solve this question, most people start with the expression inside the first parenthesis. And they simplify this expression to 2 plus 7 squared multiplied by 7 minus 5 inside the parenthesis. And the next step, they usually move on to the exponent and replace this expression with 2 plus 49 times 7 minus 5 inside the parenthesis. Then they perform the addition between 2 and 49 and simplifying this expression to 51 times 7 minus 5 inside the parenthesis. And the final step, they go for the expression inside the parenthesis and replace it with 51 times 2, which ultimately gives them the answer 102. And without any hesitation, they quickly say that option C is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. It means that we need to perform all the operations exactly in order from top to bottom according to the PEMDAS rule. Alright, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have parentheses, then an addition sign, followed by an exponent, then a multiplication, and finally another parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we should always start with the parentheses, since they have the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of the original expression, we can write it as 2 plus 7 squared multiplied by 2. And the next step, it's time to handle the exponent, because after parentheses, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, we'll write this expression as 2 plus 49, then times 2. Finally, we need to perform the multiplication between 49 and 2 first, because multiplication has a higher priority than addition. And this expression simplifies to 2 plus 98, which ultimately gives us the answer 100. Therefore, option B is the correct answer to this question.